Okay, I hope it's recording. There you go. Well, was that too much for you? These birds are stupid. They just constantly attack you until you feed them. They've been attacking me over and over again. Okay, I just gave you a fry. Are you not going to eat it, or what? I'm not giving you another fry. You've got one right there. No. I gave you a fry. Go away. No, don't. No, no. No, don't. What are you doing? No, it's my food. No, that's... Oh, you son of a... Ew, you're carnivorous. Hey! Hey, no fighting. You guys are stupid. You guys are bullies. I mean...